Hey guys, Tristan Adams, Modern Design Aquascaping. We specialize at building ponds and water features out of natural stone and wood and educating and inspiring the world about water features. And today we bring you a video from beautiful Gatlinburg, Tennessee. We are way up here in the Smoky Mountains right now. It is, you know, we're here for this. We've got this to fix. So there's a lot of issues that we found on our preliminary visit, which was last week. All kinds of edge leaks and stuff, separate pieces of liner, weird connections with the spillways. What mainly brings us here is to get this thing back to holding water, make sure we've got a waterproof stream in here, and it is also an opportunity for us to go a little bit out of our norm and build with strictly river stones. So we've got some pretty big ones in here, as you guys can see, like the one that I'm standing on, super heavy guys. And we're gonna come in here, one piece liner, and try and get some super cool curves in here. We got Driftwood aquatic plants in a very short time frame to get this thing done. So you guys stay tuned. We're gonna be rocking it. I'm getting out of here. Let's go. Game on. Fellers, so we're finding interesting things. We've got the rocks torn out, we got the liner torn out, a little bit of geotextile that was in here, and that's when our plumbing investigations began. So one of my biggest things in here, looking at the design of this, is why you would have the giant hump of dirt running through the middle between both streams. Well, we found out very quickly upon tracing our plumbing lines and trying to actually shape and shelf this like we talked about, because we really wanted to get some wide width in here, a lot of visible water, not just the rippling down the river stones the whole time on a gentle slope. So in order to accommodate these, we were gonna dig out in the middle of here, we're gonna tamp a bunch of stuff in, create the elevations and flats for these waterfalls. But what we found is that both of the plumbing lines, which would be a 2 and 3 inch flex line, run straight through the center for some reason of this mound that was in the middle of the waterfalls, and then they decide to take the turn to go down towards where the pump vaults are. So now we're trying to figure out ways where we're gonna digging these guys up. We're gonna try and swing them right along that outside wall like we normally would, and that will accommodate us to have the freedom we need in here to create the canvas for those super wide waterfalls and streams that we were talking about. It's very interesting things. You guys watch. Hopefully we don't find anything else too crazy. And yeah, we're gonna relocate some plumbing lines. Guys, so this has been a pretty fun journey. We really had a great time out here with this one. It was a lot of hard work. It's been freezing, it's been snowing, it's been raining, it has been something, guys. But we've made the best of it. We had a great time out here staying at the Four Seasons cabin rental. So if you've ever been up to Gatlinburg, you pretty much got to have an awesome cabin that you're going to be staying in. And the homeowner, this guy, was gracious enough to give us one of his cabins for the duration of the week, and it was an absolute blast. We really accomplished what I was hoping to accomplish with this feature, because as you guys saw, what it was originally was just the two super thin streams, not really waterfalling. It just kind of rolled down the hill, and they were straight shots from the top to the bottom. And what we wanted to do was come in here with this one-piece liner and get as much twisting and turning as we could in here to really make the water fall and then take a hard left turn, right turn, whichever it may be. And we foamed this thing up, got it sealed, and it worked out flawlessly. It turned out beautiful. It is crazy amount of shape we got in the water in here, and a much more natural look that resembles our beautiful Smoky Mountain streams that we have, especially up here in Gatlinburg. So hope you guys have enjoyed the journey. It was a good one, cold one. Hopefully the next stage of this will be a little warmer. So like, comment, subscribe, stay tuned. We're out.